Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news. Australia is facing some hard choices in their relationships with China and the US. Can you have security without economic stability? Can you have stability with a disrespectful and unreliable partner? But first, this coming week will be dominated by today's New Zealand CPI release later this morning and a full dairy auction on Wednesday. Over the weekend in India, bank loan growth accelerated to its fastest pace of expansion in September for all of 2025, up 11.4% from a year ago. After 2 months of declines, Singapore's exports rose almost 7% in September from a year ago, largely on the back of recovering exports of electronics goods. And in Malaysia, their third quarter GDP result shows them expanding 5.2% from a year ago, accelerating from the 4.4% growth in the second quarter. This is their fastest expansion in a year. In Australia, some immediate stress is also building, American pressure to decouple from China. This seems quite unlikely given the local wealth weight dependent on the China trade, but it will make for interesting times in the US-Australia relationship. In the US over the weekend, President Trump seemed to back off his sharp rhetoric against China in another taco moment. Markets went into temporary relief mode on Friday. There was more taco on Ukraine, even Gaza, but both of them just added to the mess he made. US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.01% and unchanged from Saturday, but down 4 basis points for the week. And the price of gold will start today at $4,251 an ounce, up $30 from Saturday. Over the past week, gold is up a net 5.8%, silver is up a net 3.3%, but platinum is now marginally lower. And American oil prices are holding lower at just on $57.50 a barrel, while the international Brent price is now down at $61 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is now just on 57.4 US cents, up 10 basis points from Saturday. Against the Aussie, we're unchanged at 88.3 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're up 10 basis points at 49.2 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just on 61.9 and up 10 basis points. You can get more news about the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.